Hi everyone, today is 20th of December. Today I'm going to show you something new that I've been trying to do with my agents that I've been doing. So, have you ever heard about Docker? Right? What is Docker? Docker is something like you want to run a software in any computer, in any kind of operating system, keeping the same, right? For example, you build something or develop something in Windows, but you want to run it in somebody else's Linux, or somebody else has a Mac, want to run it all in the same cross-platform develop. In that case, in that manner, uh, Docker comes in handy, right? It's like a VM, but more lightweight VM, you can say. That's what I use it as like a metaphor. So Docker is something that helps you, assists you in getting a software to run in any type of computer and test it out really fast. So today I'm going to show you how I do my Docker profiling today of any build software. So what I do is, so I have my software built here. It's called Shadow Map. So if you don't know what is Shadow Map, it's like an open source reconnaissance subdomain mapper. So what it does is it maps a whole domain that is in the internet. It finds out leaky cloud assets, buckets, and everything else. So anyway, so right now, I'm going to show you how I'm using GitHub Copilot to go through my whole project and turn it into a Docker file. So that's what I write to make our code Dockerize to run in Rust with output file. So why I told it about Rust, because my code is in Rust. So you have to make sure which programming language you are using, which development environment you want. Just make sure to state about it. Like if you call it Rust, call it Rust. If it's like a Node.js, if it's Laravel, whatever. Just make sure to be very specific with AI agents. The more specific you are, the more better it will be. So it created the Docker file for us, so we can check what it does. So profiling, it created some stuff. You can see what it does. Final runtime. This is a small runtime image. Copy the build server. What did I press? Okay. Now what I would do is before even just skip it. Okay. What I do again is every time I do something or like do a development, I always have do a self evaluation, step by step, detailed, rigorous process, like the chain of peer evolution. Why I do this is you might have your own opinion on something, but maybe somebody else has a better opinion from that perspective. That's what I do after I develop something. I ask it to self-evaluate again to find out, okay, what is done, what is not done, what could be done. Out of it, so this way I make sure my development process is very good. Not very good, it's like it's not precise, but I make sure that it's improved and better. I hope everybody like you liked it. If it's informative for you and if it helps you like in development process and everything in future, please like and subscribe at youtube.com at AI Augmented. I also have my written articles where I write about this. It's called medium.com/md.rb1203. I have my Beehive where I take about AI digital IT systems where I show various digital privacy texts in the newsletter. And last but not the least, have a great day.